Now let's create the first user in our new site so we can log into the control panel and start building something. The easiest way to do that is to run the command php please make user. This is going to prompt you for an email address and a name and a password and whether or not you want to be a super user. Now, super users have access to everything. They can create and delete other users, set permissions, controls, create collections, all that stuff. So if you want to build the site, you're going to want a super user account. Now, before we log in, let me show you what that did. We'll jump over to our code editor, head to the users folder in the root of your directory, and you will see that user right here. Each YAML file in this directory represents a user, and if we look at the contents of the folder, or of the file, you'll see the name, super, the ID, and the password hash. If you configure more fields you want to store on your individual users, all of that data will also be stored in here. Now let's go and log into the control panel. Head over to our browser, go to /cp, or hit this link right here, and log in with those credentials. And there you have it.